Power failures and unscheduled maintenance shutdowns can suddenly throw a smooth sailing organization into chaos. You all know what happens when a transformer develops a snag. A professional team, technically sound and experienced, needs to take care of your transformers. Someone who's reliable and knows how to deliver quality service on time, every time. This is exactly where we step in. The Service After Sales Division of Voltamp Transformers Limited. The Voltamp SAS division is capable to service and repair any brand and type of transformers, Indian or imported, up to 315 MVA, 400 kV class on site. The transformers could be of any application: generator transformers, unit auxiliary transformers, station transformers, interconnecting transformers, rectiformers or traction transformers. The SAS division is part of Voltamp Transformers, which manufactures oil-filled power and distribution transformers up to 160 MVA 220 kV class, resin-impregnated dry-type transformers up to 5 MVA 11 kV class, and cast resin dry-type transformers up to 12.5 MVA 33 kV class. We are in this industry for over 4 decades now, and our products are well accepted by various DISCOMs, public and private sector units, multinational companies, and are exported to Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Dubai, UAE, Indonesia, Iran, Egypt, and several other African countries. The SAS division is headquartered at Vadodara, Gujarat, with offices and service network in Mumbai, New Delhi, Chandigarh, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Secunderabad, Pune and Bhubaneswar.
Voltamp, we at Hindalco Hirakud is associated around from 98 onwards, around 12 to 14 years. We have different transformers from Westinghouse, Canada, from BHEL, Jhansi, BHEL, Bhopal, those type of transformers. Those are getting repaired. It got repaired at site by Voltamps. So with a phone call of mine, because I am continuing since 95, they come immediately without any order also they attend it, and later on we decide this thing. So this is the confidence we are having, because the quality of service, the response time.
In the event of a failed or damaged transformers, you just have to call the nearest SAS service center. Our technical person will reach the site in 24 to 48 hours, depending upon the site location. We'll assess the situation and give you a rough estimate of the cost and time involved in rectifying the problem. A technical workforce with the necessary tools, testing equipment and spare parts reaches the site immediately. If the client provides lifting and handling facilities, a closed area with an EOT crane and working space, then the transformer is rectified on site.
To my knowledge, almost from past 11 years, Voltamps is associated with DLF, and approximately 300 plus transformer we have taken it from Voltamps till now. The services, terms of quality, their response time is quite good. I'll just quote an example. 11 to 12 transformers were failed in a gap of 1 year, and it was probably a surge which was coming, and from Voltamps, Mr. Francis, I remember, he visited, and along with his team they have resolved the problem. And this time we have offered them an AMC for our entire transformers for 3 years at a stretch.
In case of major repairs like winding replacements, the transformer has to be brought to our Vadodara works for repairs. In such cases, new winding preparation takes place in our dust and moist-free winding shop. Experienced winders work at micro-level accuracy and checks. Core coil assemblies of repaired transformer undergo vapor phase drying, the latest and most advanced technology to eliminate moisture from core and winding assemblies. Just as a newly manufactured transformer is subjected to various tests, all repaired transformers also pass through well-defined process norms, stage tests, quality checks and final testing in our NABL accredited test laboratory. We are also equipped with Impulse Test Laboratory. Type and special tests such as impulse, partial discharge, heat run, SFRA, capacitance and tan delta are conducted in-house on customer request. Our service centers maintain adequate inventory of high-quality transformer spares. Parts that are regularly required like bushings, breathers, oil and winding temperature indicators, Buchholz relays and oil level gauges. We provide spares for any make and type of transformer and also develop parts for obsolete designs if samples or drawings are made available.
Recently we had a problem with the 50 MVA BHEL transformers. We engaged services of Voltamp. Previously in our old switchyards we had Hitachi make transformers and Crompton and Greaves make transformers, where services of overhauling and replacement of certain components was done by Voltamp.
Larsen & Toubro Special Steels and Heavy Forgings Limited is a private sector company. So it's an organization of national importance. It has been designed from scratch to be a very highly energy efficient plant. Voltamp Transformers Limited, they have supplied to us high energy efficient transformers. While commissioning, which was a very hectic activity, we found that the service provided by Voltamp was very quick, and at short notice they were sending their competent team.
The SAS division has a comprehensive design data of the transformers undertaken for repairs. In some cases, we advise on modifications and alteration in design to increase the life and quality output of the transformers. Moreover, transformer conversion or modification needs of customer such as off-circuit switch to on-load tap changer for voltage variation, change in vector group and voltage ratio are also undertaken at our end. We also provide adequate capacity enhancement solution to customer for their transformers by providing additional cooling wherever feasible.
Voltamp management has always been keen to support customer service needs, and that is how the service division emerged. Since 2000, we have been offering services in India and have also provided services in Bhutan, Nepal, Mauritius, Finland and African countries. We are increasing our reach in the country by setting up more service centers. SAS division is leveraging the experience and resources of Voltamp Transformers, which is a leading transformer manufacturer of the country. We value the faith put in by our customer, and we are committed to exceed their expectation.
We appreciate the valuable role of the Electrical and Maintenance Division in an organization. We also understand how critical our work is to get a transformer functioning within a given time frame so that the entire sequence of system shutdown and startup is executed smoothly. Providing quality service and repair is what Voltamp SAS division is committed to in the years to come.